Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another vlog where we have mountains, we have interesting skies, and hopefully something that's a little bit different this time. And what I'm hoping to find this time is a signs of spring with some wildflowers, and possibly do some focus stacking between them wildflowers onto the mountains. It's the idea. It's the idea. Do something a little bit different, not too different. I don't want to freak you out. I don't want to do anything too weird. So the mountains are staying. And we've also got water. But flowers, that's something we've not had in a long time. And they do exist. They are around. So it will be a case of trying to find flowers, doing a focus stack into these epicness. This epicness. So I've got, just look at that. Just look at that. Hey, Pauline. Beautiful. And fingers crossed, the shots tonight will be too. Soon find out though. So Pauline has been a bit of a hero there. I'm wandering wrong thinking like, what are we going to shoot? And she spotted this little line of flowers coming over here. And then just over there is a pretty spectacular mountain. One that I'm hoping we're going to climb soon. But what I need to do while the light's here and on there is get set up. And what I'm going to do for this vlog, because I'm going to be doing a lot of shots very close to the ground, I'm going to do a little bit of a flip over. Ooh. So now I've got this all set up, I'm going to focus stack the flowers immediately, but I'm going to capture the light that's on the side of the mountain right now because it is beautiful. If you haven't seen last week's video, I go into a bit more detail about how I focus stack. So, link to it just up there. But that's what I'm going to follow, that same process. I'm not going to talk about what I'm doing. But what I am going to do is every time I do one, I'll show you the image just on the screen. 2-second timer. Boom. And I'm going to underexpose for the sky. I'm just going to get that shot now as well. It would be nice with some colour in the sky, and I might come back for this shot again. And that one was for the water's edge. Then the flowers towards, about a foot away from me. And then finally, the flowers right in front of me. Now, it's super important that the flowers right in front of me are perfectly sharp. Because in a shot like this, that's what's going to catch your eye. That's what's going to take you into the scene. And if they don't look good, nah, not a chance. So F8, I'm going to raise that exposure slightly to make sure they look nice and bright and white. And boom, a lovely shot. Now what I'm not going to do is take this off. I'm going to leave that set up like that now. And then let's go see if we can find something else. I am absolutely desperate to try and find something that lines up with them mountains over there. If I can find anything, I'm going to jump on it. At the moment though, I'm struggling. think we've got some beautiful flowers here. Now it's finding the right little spot, the right little section. The problem is not many of them are actually open yet. Some of them are still closed buds. There's a couple here that are quite nice, but they're kind of facing the wrong way. I quite like these little things coming through here, but I think I found my flower. That's the one. This guy. I think it's a quick change in lens. I think I need my ultra wide for this. The flowers are not really a tight enough bunch, but what I do have is a beautiful mountain. So what I might do is capture that beautiful mountain and see if I can find that section of flowers later and do a composite, because that is worth faking it for. So I captured that in two parts. This one I captured for the mountains, and this one I captured for the trees at the bottom. I don't want anything too dark, but I need to go find the right flowers to complement it. And Pauline. So I've got my camera all set up for the second part of this image. And I'm just going to remind you of the first part. Now this is the second part. I've got these beautiful section of flowers and I'm just eye sharpening them. Because I'm so close to them, I don't need to really do much else. And then I'll blend this in with the picture from before. Hopefully it'll marry. If not, I think this will make quite a nice image just on its own. But I really want to get a shot of that mountain just over there. Same mountain as before, but now I've got a different angle and hopefully better light. And the clouds above it. Mwah. Okay, I've found my last composition and I think I've gone for multiple flowers this time, which should work out quite nice, give you a different kind of texture. And I'm just going to follow the same process as I have been doing. And I think after this, what you should all go and do is flip your tripods over, get out, find some wildflowers and go photograph them, because the results, if they're focus stacked well, fingers crossed, is very good. It's very nice. Just look at this first shot and how sharp that flower is down that bottom corner. And it's taken me 4 times before I get to the new flowers. And that's okay. It does mean that I'm going to lose a little bit off the side each time. But I think it's worth it. And now I'm going to go straight over to the mountain, focus on the peak, capture the mountain, and then dial down for that sky. Beautiful. And I think that is going to be all for this week. And I hope you've enjoyed this video. It has been a pleasure to make. And I really enjoy flipping the camera over and getting closer to subjects, closer than you ever normally get. And I definitely suggest to get out with your camera and go and have a little play, because you can create some lovely images. So, thank you to Pauline for doing a bit of filming on a drone. I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. Make sure you hit that smash the thumbs up button if you have enjoyed the B-roll. Yeah, if you can, leave in the comments below your Instagram or wherever you share your images, and show me what you're creating using the upside down tripod. Because I'd like to see what you're doing, maybe steal your ideas. But that is going to be all from me this week. Have a lovely week. Don't work too hard. Peace out, peeps.